What's going on, everyone? This is Jordan with Conquer Trading and Investing, and this is our weekly Forex Analysis and Forecast for the week of December 9th through the 13th. We have a lot going on this week. There's a lot to be prepared for. Let's look at the calendar. We have on Wednesday the FOMC rate statement, followed by the press conference. We're going to be doing a live session, trading this live, showing you how I trade rate decisions. The following day is the ECB press conference. The following day is the ECB rate announcement, followed by the following day is the ECB policy statement, followed by also the press conference. It is going to be a blockbuster 2 days. And then also on Friday, we have retail sales out of the US, which should also provide us a clue on whether or not the US consumer is holding the economy up or not. It is a big week. It is an explosive week. We're going to take a look at it as it comes together. Now, be aware, as of Monday, we should start see some nice moves that happen in currency pairs, and those should continue through Tuesday morning, and at that point, through the rest of Tuesday afternoon into Wednesday afternoon, when we have the FOMC meeting, you should see things pretty much calm down into a tight, small range. That's what usually occurs. As always, trade what is happening, not what you perceive is going to happen. This is going to be a really short Forex forecast this week. I am away with my wife. We extended that for an extra day. We will be returning tomorrow. Tuesday morning, we'll start the normal live streams. I just wanted to go ahead and let you know what I was looking at going into this week. And that's going to be right here on the Euro US dollar. You can see here that price on Friday broke this support, came down and tested the upper channel support over here. And it's support now because it was resistance coming down. It was resistance over here. Over here, that resistance broke. Came back to the first resistance above head, was rejected, came back down to this level, broke on Friday. And then you could see this held as support. Now, I'm going to be looking sometime perhaps during the London session, perhaps during New York, not during Asia. And if we're able to go ahead and test down here a little further and then come back in during London and make a higher high than the previous price bar, I'll look to enter long. And the reason I'm doing that is because I have my risk well defined. If price dumps back into this channel over here, at that point, the long side of the trade is off and wrong. I'll exit the position. And if I'm able to go ahead and test back up back towards this resistance up here, it's going to be somewhere around 1.5 to 1 or 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio, depending on where the entry is. And that will be a good point to look at before the FOMC to see whether we're not going to take profits or just lock in our stop and let that trade run. I'm looking at the Euro US dollar. Definitely looks nice. Is there anything else setting up? Let me just take a quick preview with you. Gold traders should be on hold right now. Their short entry was somewhere up here. They should be looking to see whether or not they could get a little bit more room on this trade, but no new entries on gold early in the week. US dollar, Japanese yen looks like it could be breaking down outside of this rising wedge pattern here. Let me show that to you right here. And you have this support area right here to worry about. If you get below this support area here on the US dollar, Japanese yen, we have this short side opened up to us, and we'll be looking to take shorts. Until we get above this support here, I'm looking on the long side. If we get any further momentum and a test of this support over here and resume off it early in the week, that's something that I'm interested in looking at, and I will be checking it out. US dollar, Japanese, Canadian dollar. I'm just gonna, because this is gonna be a quick review, I'm gonna sidestep this. I'm just looking for any possible opportunities that I could share with you for Monday. This is for Monday during London session. During the US session, we will begin, if we don't live stream on Monday morning, New York time, we will be back to our regular everyday stream as of Tuesday. And again, Wednesday we'll be live together for the FOMC meeting. We're gonna trade that live. Here you have this lower channel support and prices trading near it. If you get a resumption, a bounce off of this, you could look to take a trade here, definitely. This is in play over here. You have the euro, Japanese yen trading off of this lower trend support, and you're going to look to see if this holds. Again, if it doesn't hold, you'd still have some further support down here below. That's similar to what's happening on the US dollar, Japanese yen. And before and until you get below here, that's when it really gets aggressively to the short side, but not yet. Just be very cautious. Let's take a quick look at the pound US dollar pairs and the pound Japanese yen. They're both holding their breakout right now. We have on the 12th of December, this is Thursday, we have the elections in the UK. This is going to be a big deal. I don't know whether or not we're just going to consolidate and hold this breakout or what's going to happen. I'm not trading those right now, discretionary. I'm on the sidelines, but we will follow what's happening with them. December 12th, Thursday, is going to be a big catalyst, and we'll see what happens. Let's see what else we have. I want to take a look at with you the Australian dollar, US dollar. I'm going to get into this later with you when I have a better look at it with you. Right now, I'm just going to tell you to stay aside. This is going to be something really good to look at as a learning tool together, and we'll do that as soon as Tuesday, if not before. Let's keep going. We also have the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen, Australian dollar, Japanese yen. Just stay on the sidelines. There's nothing going on here. I would be focusing on Monday on the euro US dollar, the US dollar, Japanese yen, if we get further down to the support, and also taking a look at the euro Japanese yen. Again, I just wanted to get this in front of you. I hope everyone has a great week. If I do not catch you for the live stream on Monday, tomorrow, we are going to be traveling back home, and we will resume our regular live streams on Tuesday. I hope you all have a great weekend, and I will talk to you soon.